Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hi, my name is Shanada and I upload beauty related videos. I also do shopping hauls, so if that is something you are interested in, make sure you subscribe before you leave. But first, I have a video literally nobody asked for, not even your mommy. Nobody asked for this video, but I know a lot of y'all are into very cutesy stuff just like myself, and y'all always message me when y'all see something cute in my room. So I figured, you know what, the cutest products I have in my room, apart from some cute makeup, I do have the most adorable mini fragrance collection, and I know your hearts will melt. So if you want to see my little mini fragrance collection, then keep on watching. Now I know that a mini fragrance collection is a little bit weird, especially having so much. Why not just invest in like 1 or 2 full-size fragrances? And that is a valid question, which I have asked myself before, but honestly I know it's because of my extremely sensitive nose. I have purchased the Versace Bright Crystal, Coach Poppy, you name it. I have had the brand names. Tell these dogs trying me today, Like I was saying, I have had all of these expensive perfumes, but the thing is, because it's so big, they tend to get kind of funky in the bottle after a very long time. And because of my sensitive nose, I hate to smell the same fragrance over and over, and I find that I would buy another bottle just to switch up the scent, and then the other one that I purchased before, it was just kind of wasting away in the back there. So I figured, you know what, I need to stop investing in full sizes and just buy like minis or travel sizes, because it's just better suited for my needs and my nose. Now with all that being said, I have one disclaimer that I have to state before I start this collection video. I do not know jack shit when it comes to describing the notes of fragrances. Like, you're not gonna get from me here,
oh well, this is a patchouli, it has a top note of bergamot.
No, I have channels for that if I want to go there and check that out. This is not that. This is just like a whole cute vibe. I know y'all like cute things, and that is it. The most I'll tell you is that this one is floral, this one is fruity, this one is citrusy. That's all you're gonna get from here. Don't expect much, right? So let me jump straight into this video. This first set I want to show you is one of my earlier purchases, and it's the absolute cutest. This is the Burberry Blush set, and you can see it does have the little perfume, the details with the little bow, the nude color, very chic. And I love that it also comes with this travel size spray, which clearly I do use. I love this scent so much. It's not sweet, it's not fruity, it's not citrusy. It's kind of on the sexy side, but not like overly sexy. I would describe this like, if you're like in your 20s, early 30s, this is like a good scent for you. Like, it's a good scent for tweens, definitely. Next up is the ever so popular Viktor and Rolf Flowerbomb. This is so gorgeous. Look at this. It just kind of plops out like this. And the thing is, with these mini fragrances, they are very concentrated. I think the oils in here or something like that, they are just more concentrated, so you do smell a lot better than the full sizes. And it comes with this refill and a little funnel. How freaking cute is that? The details. So when I finish this up, I actually just put the little funnel in here and refill it with this, and these are extremely affordable. Of course, I'll have the prices up on the screen, but this is one of my favorites. This is definitely a mature, sultry kind of scent. I definitely love this a lot. It's on the sweet side, but I like this one a lot. I find myself reaching for this a lot more now because you're girl in her 30s, alright? This next fragrance is from Tocca, I'm not sure how you pronounce the brand, but it's called Maya, and this one is actually like a mini roll-on type of bottle. And this one I actually use almost every night to sleep. Like, it has a very calming and relaxing scent, almost medicinal, but it is like on the sweet floral side. Like, I like this one a lot. It's not lavender, don't think because it's purple it's lavender. It's not, it's just really like a calming kind of clean scent. So yeah. The next 4 minis are from Hermes, and these actually came in a set. So let me see if I can pick them up. So it's these 4 here, and they came in one set, and honestly they changed my life when it came to fragrances. But this first one is called Absolute, but this one is like, I would say it's sweet, but kind of, I don't know, it kind of has like a baby powder finish to it. I'm so bad at describing this, I'm sorry, but this one smells extremely sexy. Like, I use this for date nights. This is really nice. The next scent, I can't remember the name, hopefully I have it on the screen somewhere, but this one, when I tell you, if you're looking for a clean scent but with just like a hint of floral, this is the one. And when I mean a hint of floral, it's just like just a hair of floral. It's definitely on the mature side. I don't see like a young child using this, but honestly this smells so good. I love it. And honestly, this is my favorite from the Hermes set. This one is called TWILLY. TWILLY is a very popular scent from Hermes. I think it's like their most popular fragrance, and I have contemplated even last year to purchase the full size because I actually really love this a lot. Clearly it's like my most used mini fragrance, but when I tell you, this is like this transports me every time. But this is like this classic clean and sweet. Honestly, it reminds me of a beach but sweet. That's the best way I could describe this. I tell you, they're like terrible at this, but honestly, if you are looking to splurge, I would say try the TWILLY by Hermes. It's so good. And this is the last mini Hermes fragrance. Look how cool this packaging is. It's like has a bubble to the front and it's flat at the back, but it could also stand like this or like this or like this. It's so fun, right? But this one smells really clean. If you're looking for a super fresh scent, this is the one. Oh my god, it smells so good. This one I think is suitable for any age. I absolutely love this. These next fragrances y'all might actually remember from like my very early Sephora hauls on my channel. These are the Marc Jacob Daisy perfumes. So we have the original Daisy, and this is the Daisy Love, which is actually my favorite. This is also another one I contemplated investing in full size, but I know I wouldn't. This Daisy Love is like, oh my gosh, it's like, oh, sweet, sexy, girly, just everything about a female you could think about is in this little mini Daisy Love. I enjoy this so much. It's like one of my most reach for scents when I just, you know, have a special occasion. Really like this one. The Daisy original I like a lot as well, clearly, but it's definitely more on the mature floral scent. So I kind of, how to describe this, like I try to associate my fragrances with events. So if I have to go to like a praise or a Thanksgiving, you know, things like we're just, you know, it's filled with mostly mature people, I would wear this scent because it's still like a statement fragrance, but it's not like too overpowering at the same time. I like this a lot. This next fragrance takes me back to my days. When I tell you my days, your girl had days. But this is Versace Bright Crystal. This was one I actually had a full size of, and ooh, that was a time. This, oh my god, is the best. This is like a clean, sweet, fresh scent. Honestly, it's the perfect balance of all the types of notes that I like. I actually should really read what are the top notes in this because I enjoyed it. This is one of my most favorite fragrances ever, but it is just so good. And I mean, the packaging, stunning. The original, well, not the original, the full size actually has like a big cap just like this, so it's very like aesthetically pleasing, but I just can't stop smelling this. It's so good. And this one actually stays on my skin for like days. I don't know how. Yes, I do bathe, take your time, but when I tell you, this like stains my skin. And don't talk for clothes, but especially my skin. Like I would shower that same night and the next day I'm still smelling this on me. Like I go to bed and this is still smelling so high on me. It's a very long wearing perfume, so it's definitely worth the investment. Up next is another one by Versace. This is called Dylan Blue. Very simple, sleek packaging. Absolutely so cute with the gold cap and the Versace head. But this one smells like very on the mature side, but still super sweet with like a hint of citrus to like the back of it. I don't know how to describe this, but it smells so nice, and it's definitely like one of the newest ones in my collection, but I absolutely love it. Also new to my collection is this Miss Dior. This is the Bloomin' Bouquet, and this one actually screws off because she bougie. But oh my god, I can't wait to go on a date again so I could use this. Somebody ask me out now, please. But oh my gosh, this smells so nice. Like sweet, sexy, sultry, very feminine. Love this. And also I have the Dolce and Gabbana. This one is the, what is this one? Oh, the only one. And this is like a warm vanilla fragrance. That is the best way I can describe it. Warm vanilla, and this lasts so long on my skin. This is another long wearing one. Now bear in mind that even though a fragrance might wear long on me, because of our body chemistry, what lasts long on me may not necessarily last long on you, and vice versa. So just keep that in mind. This next fragrance is from Kat Von D. This one is called Sinner. I mean, look at this bottle. It looks like a little light bulb. It's so cute. And this one I actually think it could work as unisex, because I definitely smell like some kind of male fragrance in there, or I should say like fragrance that is associated with males. But I actually think this could be unisex. It's kind of sweet. This is the second time I threw down this cover. You just go and stay there. So this is kind of sweet, and I don't know, it's kind of citrusy but mature at the same time. So I really like it. But I think I've only used this like once. Have I ever used this? I'm not sure, but I'll get around to it. So good. I didn't realize Jesus was fighting mom there, boy. Had luck. But next up I have some fragrances from Moschino. Y'all would have remembered this from my holiday Sephora haul. Yeah. So this honestly has to be the cutest packaging ever. The teddy bears, I mean, look at this. I have been killing this over Christmas when my best friend was here and I was like staying up by them. Oh my god, this is like the cleanest, freshest, sweetest. Actually no, it's not so much on the sweet side. It's definitely more on the clean and fresh side, but it's definitely one of my favorites. The only thing though, I find like the teddy bear pops off just a little too easy. So when I was traveling with it, I did have to like keep it in a box. So I don't know, if I'm traveling with this, I have to be very careful. I have to secure it. This one here is called Toy Boy, and I think this has to be my least favorite of the four. And I think that's because the scent is just a little too floral, but it's not sweet. It's like a earthy kind of fragrance, and it's not really my favorite. But I think this one is unisex if I'm not mistaken, or it could be that it's just a male scent, which is probably why I find it's kind of weird. But yeah, it's not my favorite, but still the packaging adorable. And I mean, they knocked this packaging out of the park. I remember my mom came in the room and she saw it and she was like holding it like this, trying to squeeze it, and low-key I did try that as well, but it didn't work. So this is, I think this is what, Fresh Gold I believe it's called, and this one is called Fresh Couture. If you are looking for a clean, fresh fragrance, that is the best way I could describe this. But it smells so good and it lasts a long time on my skin. But this gold one here, between these two, I can't choose my favorite in this set, but I have been loving this one lately. This has to be like the sexiest, sultriest scent in my collection. It smells so nice. Like, it still has a hint of floral to it, but the sweetness in here is just what does it for me. I absolutely love this, and this lasts a very long time on the skin. I feel like I've been saying that phrase a lot during this video. I apologize. But last but not least is this Kayali set. Y'all would have seen this in my PR haul slash shopping haul, whatever that was, video, which I was gifted this set. But when I tell you, this has lived up to all of the claims and expectations I had for this fragrance set. I love it. Even my mom loves it. This one is called Elixir, and this is actually a blend of all of the 4 fragrances, but this one has to be the most mature, so I actually like this a lot. But apart from the scents, I mean, the packaging is second to none. I mean, look at this packaging. It is so gorgeous. It's like a gem, basically. It's so precious. And what else do we have here? This one is called Citrus. This is actually like my most reached for right now. I need to calm down on it. This one is called Musk, and it's exactly that. It has like a more musky vanilla scent, and this one is vanilla. So this one is like actually a lot like the Dolce & Gabbana, except that I find the vanilla here is a little bit sweeter, and they both wear like the same way. They both last very long on the skin. So I don't know, it's up to you whichever one you want to get. But hopefully this set is still available in Sephora at the time of the sale, because I really would like for one of you to cop this. It is so good and worth it. And to be honest, these minis compared to this mini, I mean, this is not really a mini. To me, this is like a full-size perfume. So the fact that I have 4, I don't need any more fragrances for a very long time. I don't know why I just lied to myself, you know, honestly. And that completes this totally unnecessary video, but hey, it's still content. But seriously, thanks so much for watching. I do hope you guys enjoyed it. Please let me know in the comments below which fragrance you think is the cutest, and do you have any, or do you prefer full-size fragrances? And make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already, and make sure and hit that bell so you are notified when I upload my videos every Wednesday and Sunday. Yes. So make sure you also follow me over my Instagram, because I will post updates over there as well. And I will see you all in the next video. Later!